I'm Stephanie Hansen and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am stephaniesdish.com online, and today we are going to make strawberry lemon bars. They're going to have a really beautiful pink powdered sugar glaze on them, and they're going to be delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to cream 2 sticks of unsalted butter, or 1 cup, with a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Get that going. Make sure we get that all nice and creamed in here. From there, we're gonna add 1 egg. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. And we are going to go ahead and add our lemon, and we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon and our lemon zest. And I'm gonna have to pick this up with my fingers. We've got our butter, we've got our sugar, we've got our lemon juice, our lemon zest. It smells so good. And now we are going to add our flour. I've got 2 1/3 cups. And the key is to turn down your mixer, but it doesn't really even seem to make a difference for me. I'm already on low, so I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, always making a giant mess. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and mix by hand, because I'm gonna mix in the strawberries. This is the Stursby. Guy makes them in Minnesota. I don't get paid to market them, but boy, I wish I did, because it's a really great tool and I use it all the time. All right, so we're gonna just fold in our strawberries, get that mixed in, and we're gonna go ahead and get our strawberry mixture in there. Just gonna use my spatula to kind of get it pushed down in here. We're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And when they're in the oven, we're gonna make the glaze. Our lemon bars are cooled, and we're gonna make the pretty pink glaze that's gonna go on them. And we're gonna make it with powdered sugar, strawberries, and a little lemon juice. I've got about a 1/4 cup of strawberries in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little lemon juice in there. Then I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and blend these up. It's gonna give us a really pretty smooth glaze. I'm gonna go ahead and strain this glass jar so you can see it. Teeny tiny spatula to help with the job of pushing through the liquids from the solids. All right, so we've got this really delicious essence of strawberry, as it were, and we will mix that up with a little powdered sugar. All right, can you see how this is a little bit thicker? It's still thin enough that it'll pool into the crags of the bread, of the bar, as it were, the bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle this over. Looks real pretty. How cute is that? I'm gonna put a little bit of edible flowers on here, because I think it's gonna look real pretty. And then I'm gonna let it set up. These are edible flowers, and they're just really pretty. And I just like the way they look. I think they make everything look festive. That looks so good. You can find this recipe and all my recipes at stephaniesdish.com for strawberry lemon bars.